Hello everyone, especially grade 5. How are you today? I hope you all the best. Today we're going to talk about Unit 2, Lessons 6 and 7, Identifying Multiples and Least Common Multiple or LCM. Are you ready to study? Let's go! So now let's learn the meaning of word multiple. Multiple is a product of two numbers. Like 2 times 3 equals 6. So 6 is a multiple of 2. And also 6 is a multiple of 3. Okay? Let's show example. The multiples of 2. Let's show multiples of 2 starting with 2 times 0. يعني احنا لو قلنا 2 times 0 equals what? Equals 0. So 0 is a multiple of 2. And also 2 times 1 equals 2. So 2 is a multiple of 2. Okay? And so on. Multiply 2 times 2 equals 4. So 4 is a multiple of 2. And so on. Multiply 2 times 3 equals 6. So 6 is a multiple of 2. And also 2 times 4 equals 8. So 8 is a multiple of 2. And so on. All answers of table 2 and more and more and more are multiples of number 2. Okay, for example, if we multiply 2 times 100, we get 200. Okay, 2 times 1 equals 2 and drop 2 zeros. So 200 is a multiple of 2. Okay, another example, multiples of 3. If you multiply 3 by 0, we get 0. So 0 is a multiple of 3 and so on. 3 times 1, 3. So 3 is a multiple of 3 and so on. 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. Okay, that's the meaning of multiple. Now let's learn how to find the least common multiple LCM for any two numbers like 6 and 9 using two methods. The first one, listing method. هنستعمل أول طريقة دلوقتي to find LCM by finding multiples of each number. The first number we have 6. Find the multiples of 6. The smallest multiple 0 for all numbers. Okay, 0 and then 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 24 and so on up to 9. Okay, and then multiples of 9. 0, 9, 18 and 9 times 3 27 times 4 36 times 5 45 times 6 54. Let's stop here and find the common multiples up and down. عايزين الcommon between 6 and 9. The first common we have number 18. Number 18 is repeated up and down. يعني common multiple for two numbers. And then do you find any common multiple else? Yes, 36 up and down. And then 54. Which is the least one? The least one other than 0. يعني هنskip 0 ونجيب least one after 0. It will be 18. احنا عندنا common 18 and 36 54. And we wanted to find LCM يعني the least multiple. It will be 18. Okay, that's about the first method. بتعمل ايه؟ بتجيب multiples of each number and then find the common and then find the smallest one. Okay, it's called LCM or least common multiple. Now let's show the next method using prime factorization. Can you remember? We studied before to find GCF or greatest common factor. Let's show. Using the same example, 6 and 9. Factorize each number to its prime factors. 6 equals what? Equals 2 times 3. 2 and 3 are prime factors for 6. okay, and then factorize 9 equals 3 times 3, okay. So now factors of 6 are 2 and 3, factors of 9 3 and 3. Which are the common factors for two numbers? 3 is the first common factor, up and down, okay. So to find LCM, write 3 as a ones. And now do you find any common factors else؟ هل لسه في common factors up and down ال 6 و 9؟ No. So multiply the rest numbers. Here we have the rest number 2 and here we have 3. So multiply by all rest numbers times 2 times 3. So 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. So the least common multiple by the next method also equals 18. Okay, دول two methods to find LCM. وغالبا السؤال اما بيجيلك في الامتحان بتحل بالطريقة دي لانها اسهل واسرع. Okay, now let's solve exercise. Find the least common multiple for 24 and 36. So factorize each number to its prime factors. 24 equals what? Equals 4 times 6 or 3 times 8 or 2 times 12. Choose any factors you prefer to solve. Okay, أي factors أنت حاببها اكتبها. Okay, طب let's factorize using 4 by 6 and then factorize 4 and 6 to be 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. Okay, so prime factors for 24 are 2, 2, 2 and 3, and then factorize 36, 6 times 6 or 4 times 9. Okay, any factors. 6 equals 2 times 3 and 2 times 3. So factors of 24 and factors of 36. Then find the common factors for two numbers. The first common factor 2. Okay, so write 2 as ones, and then also we have common factor 2, multiply by 2 and then 3. Okay, so multiply by 3. Do you find any common factors else? No. So multiply by all the rest. Okay, كل احنا كنا قبل كده بنجيب GCF، بنستوب here بقى 2 times 2 times 2 خلاص ده كده بنجيب greatest common factor. Okay, but now to find LCM complete write or multiply by all the rest. بتاخد كل النمبرز الباقية معاك كمان 2 times 3. Okay, equals what? Equals 72. To find the answer 2 by 2 equals 4, 4 by 3 12 يعني 12, and then 2 by 3 6, and then multiply 2 by 6 12 and carry up 1. 1 by 6 6 plus 1 7. Okay, سهل على نفسك بأي طريقة أنت بتحبها. عايز تاخد 2 مع 2 مع 2 2 by 2 4 4 by 2 8. تمام، and then 3 times 3 9 8 times 9. حافظ التيبلز يبقى 8 times 9 72. تمام، في عندنا notes بقى. 0 is a common multiple of all numbers. Okay, that's important to know. 0 is a common multiple of all numbers. Can you remember the common factor of all numbers? 1. 1 is a common factor of all numbers. فما نتلخبطش وما ندخلهمش في بعض. 1 هو common factor but 0 common multiple. Okay, least common multiple for 2 or more prime numbers. Prime numbers is the product of these numbers. For example, to find LCM of 5 and 7. مش 5 و 7 دول prime numbers. So to find LCM for any prime numbers, multiply two numbers to be 35. Okay, and then LCM of 2, 3 and 5. هما 2, 3 and 5 are prime. So to find the LCM for 2, 3 and 5, multiply 3 numbers. 2 by 3 6, 6 by 5 30. تمام، يعني يكون عندك 2 برايم وعايز تجيب LCM ليهم، بتعملهم multiply مع بعض. اوكي. Now let's complete solving exercise. The first one, the common factor of all the whole numbers is common factor of all numbers 1. And then common multiple of all whole numbers is common multiple. احنا قلنا common multiple 0. Okay. If the common factor of two numbers is 12, common factor of two numbers 12, then these two numbers may be A or A. Okay. هنا عندنا common factor مديني common factor 12. تمام. طيب لما يكون الفاكتور هنا 12، يعني 12 times any number gets any number. So multiply 12 by any number and write the product عشان يكون ال 12 ده فاكتور للبرودكت دي. ممكن تقول 12 times 1 equals 12، فهيكون أول number معانا maybe 12. And you can say 12 times 2 equals 24. كده بقت ال 12 فاكتور لل 24. مظبوط. and so on. ممكن تقول 12 times 3 equals 36، يبقى ال 12 كانت فاكتور لل 36. وفي عندك more answers. okay. if the common multiple of two numbers is 28، هنا بيقول common multiple of two numbers 28، then these two numbers may be A or A. 28 هنا هي common multiple، يعني هتكون answer product، يعني انت عايز تجيب any numbers gets 28 لانه قال multiple يعني answer. هات ال two numbers دول. maybe 2 times 14 or maybe 4 times 7 or 7 times 4. okay. any numbers. okay. يكون البرودكت بتاعهم او الانسر 28. okay. فاحنا ممكن نكتب 2 and 12 or 7 and 4. got it? List the multiples of 4 which lie between 15 and 40. هنا عايزك تكتب multiples of 4 بس مديك هنا شرط انهم يكونوا between 15 and 40. طب احنا ممكن نجيب table 4 كله كده by order. table 4 0 4 8 12 16. يبقى 16 just after 15، يبقى write the first number 16 and then 20. 4 by 5 20. got it? and then 4 by 6 24, and then 4 by 7 28, and then 32 36 and then 40. طب معانا 40؟ لا، هو قال between 15 and 40. okay. all multiples of 5 between 14 and 44. table 5 very simple. okay. so after 14 15, write table 5 15 20 25 30 35 and 40. okay. multiply by each number starting from 1 وبعد كده تدور على الانسرز اللي تكون between 14 and 44. all multiples of 2 that are less than 10. okay. start from 0. 2 times 0 equals 0. 2 times 1 2 times 3 6. sorry 2 times 2 4 الأول، بعد كده 2 times 3 6 8 and 10. هو قال less than 10، يبقى 10 مش معانا. okay. to find the LCM of 10 and 5 find the multiples of each one. يعني find LCM using listing method. so find the multiple of 10. 10 times 0 0. 10 times 1 10. 10 times 2 20. 10 times 3 30. 10 times 4 40 and 10 times 5 50. تمام. طالما هو ما حدلكش up to which number فانت افضل هات multiples لحد ما يظهر لك 3 أو 4 common multiples. 5 multiples of 5 5 by 0 0, 5 by 1, 5, 5 by 2, 10, and so on. 15, 20, 25, and 30. Okay, so write common multiples of 10 and 5. The first common multiple, 10. So write 10, and then 20, and then 30. ممكن طبعا تكمل بقى 40 50 and so on، ولكن هنكتفي هنا طالما هو ما قالش up to each number. تمام. دلوقتي بقى عايزين LCM for 5 and 10. The smallest one is 10. Okay. 15 and 18, find LCM. So let's factorize 15 to be 3 times 5, and 18 2 times 9, and 9 3 times 3. Okay, so 15 equals 3 times 5, and 18 equals 2 times 3 times 3. Which is the common factor? 3. So write 3. Do you find any common factors else? No. So multiply by all the rest. 2, 3, and 5. 2 times 3 times 5 equals what? اعملها بأي طريقة انت شايفها، ولكن فكر. احنا لو خدنا 2 times 5 يبقى كده عملنا ايه؟ forming لل 10. تمام، يبقى 10 times 3 times 3 9. 10 times 9 equals 90. يبقى ال LCM هيكون 90. Use the given vocabulary to complete the following. هنا عندنا prime, factor, the number 1, composite number, product, and multiples. Okay, letter A or number 1. Which one is a number with more than one set of factor pair? يعني عايز more than 2 factors. Refers to composite number. So composite number for the first one. وهنكتب بس letter of each question عشان ما نطولش الفيديو عليكم. Letter B. Which one is number multiplied by another number to find the product number? Multiplied by another number to find the product. يعني ايه هو اللي بتعمله multiply by another to get product؟ طبعا الفاكتور. نعمل factor time another factor to get the product. Okay. Skip counting is a way to find of a number. Find which of a number. Skip counting to find the multiples. Okay. To find multiples. دي تبقى letter C. Okay. D. Which one is a factor of all numbers? طبعا the number 1 is a factor of all numbers. فدي هتكون D. Which one number's only factor pair is 1 and itself? طبعا هما prime numbers. Okay. Only pair يعني ايه only pair؟ pair يعني 2 double من حاجة or 2 من حاجة. Okay. pair يعني حاجتين مع بعض. بيكون ليهم pair يعني one pair يعني 2 parts أو 2 things أو whatever. Okay. F. Which one is the answer to a multiplication problem? Multiplication problem, the answer is product. Okay, so product for letter F. Okay, that we have finished our lesson today. I hope you've got it.